Today, we will talk about finance charges. A finance charge is a fee charged for the use of credit or the extension of existing credit. It can be a flat fee or a percentage of borrowings, with percentage-based finance charges being the most common. This fee may also include the cost of carrying the debt, transaction fees, account maintenance fees, or late fees. Finance charges allow lenders to make a profit on the use of their money. They compensate the lender for providing the funds or extending credit to a borrower. These charges can be one-time fees, such as an origination fee on a loan, or interest payments that can amortize on a monthly or daily basis. Finance charges can vary from product to product or lender to lender. One of the common finance charges is the interest rate, which is a percentage-based profit for the lender. Interest rates can vary based on the type of financing and the borrower's creditworthiness. Secured financing, backed by an asset such as a home or vehicle, often carries lower interest rates than unsecured financing, such as a credit card. Finance charges are subject to government regulation. The Federal Truth in Lending Act requires that all interest rates, standard fees, and penalty fees must be disclosed to the consumer. Additionally, the Credit Card Accountability Responsibility and Disclosure Act of 2009 required a minimum 21-day grace period before interest charges can be assessed on new purchases. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. A finance charge, such as an interest rate, is assessed for the use of credit or the extension of existing credit. 2. Finance charges compensate the lender for providing the funds or extending credit. 3. The Truth in Lending Act requires lenders to disclose all interest rates, standard fees, and penalty fees to consumers. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.